So far, we're clear. Okay, the entire claw move out now. Let's just reset uh all the small and medium agits first. Just uh break all of them. So from starting from Valk mid going to Luina small, just break them before our 15 minutes are up. Boa move to uh 8 for now. Say move to Crystal 8 for now. Cover Claw's defense there. Claw will be moving out. Yeah. Boa Crystal 8. Boa will be Crystal 8. Claw will be moving out and breaking small and medium starting from Valk medium going down. Yeah, just break and update me. Can someone give me the time on time to PDF? 7:55. Ox. I just break all. Just gather some points. Yeah, battle. Let me just scout other agits. Other fronts. Save. Okay, good. And just continue. And just break all the small and mediums. And just scouting other fronts. And then near high. Okay. Front line decodes. Oh, hatred. Sige, on time naman. 15 now action 16. Okay, thanks for the update. 18. 21. Ancients in heated battle with 23. Okay. Again. Oh, 6 HMK years. Later. $28. Okay. Status on the small and medium. 29. 30. Fortis and incarnate and front 31. That's it. Front 8. Not much. Okay. Front 17. Boring. No action yet. Okay. Nox. Okay, no action outside. So just continue breaking, then we'll move out. No action. Okay. 6 weeks. Points. Front 20, Lycan, uprising. So much action. Release. Front 8. Still a bit peaceful. We'll just go front 8 after this one. Bit mid. Let's just get 2 more crystal points, then we'll move out after pre-death. Just 2 more crystal points, guys. Or Claude, just 2 more crystal points. Okay, last one. We'll move to 8. Empty Willow Boys. Too many guilds in front 8. Okay, Claude, just 1 more crystal point, then you can please scout front 8. Which one has the which one we can invade? Yeah, we'll move out. We move out seconds before P-Def. We'll move to front 8. We'll just let close scout. Okay, move out. Go to front 8. Scout which Ajit we can attack. Greenwood big. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. 30 seconds, we will move out. Can you check other Ajits? Just double check before we go to Greenwood. Bit big. Okay. EXO, go to front 8, bit big. RG there, front. Okay, let's go. Front 8, bit big. 7 o'clock entrance, RG. RG for now, RG. Okay. We will move to 4. EXO ready. We will move to 4 in 3, 2, 1. Move to 4. Move to 4 now. Speed cake, fast cake to 4. Okay, ready? Up. Go up, go up, move up, move up. Okay, clear out. Performers, DD up. Elves, swords down. Hela, dogs. Clear out, Vince here. Up, up, up. Resu, clear out, Vince here, clear out, Vince here. Got kick, got kick. Up, up. Go to the platform. Wipe Vince here, wipe Vince here. Coming back, coming back. Got kick. It's okay. As long as we take 4. Take 4 first before we face Shroud. Summon, summon, summon. Guys, summon, summon. There are a lot of people in the safe zone. Summon, summon. Ah, they're breaking. No. Sayang. Out, out, out. Where will you go? Okay, EXO. We will move just after the bridge, ah. Yeah. We'll just move after the bridge. EXO, move now. Speed kick, fast kick after the bridge. After the bridge. Then we'll face Shroud. Just after the bridge, ah. Don't go to 7. Okay. Face front. Front of the bridge. Front of the bridge. Front of the bridge. Okay, they're moving. Okay, start engaging. EXO, engage bridge. Engage Shroud. Shroud. Shroud incoming from the bridge. Wipe Shroud. Nice one. Wipe Shroud. Shroud from the bridge. Elves, I need your sword at the bridge. Okay, advance. We'll push them back. Go. Advance. Rest along the way, kick along the way. Kick. Expel. Nice one. Forward. Okay, nice one. Ang Shroud yan, inaabangan tayo. Okay, guys. Forward, move to 4. EXO, move to 4. Here, they're at 7. At 7. They're RG at 7. Shroud is RG at 7. Let's wipe them. Ay, nako. Puta, puro basag lang. Enter 5. Safe zone. Okay, let's RG here. Who's this one? Nirheim. Who's this one? Pick me. Okay. EXO, let's go to 6. Move out 6. 6. Ignore 8. No one's coming from this side. Let's go 6. Open area just below 3. Okay. Okay, let's climb up to 3. EXO, climb up to 3. Take over 3. Let's wait for movement. Yeah, just take over 3. Let's wait for movement. Claw, can you move to 4? Claw, move to 4. Apex and Boa, just stay at 3. Let's just wait for people at 3. Status at 3. Someone at 8. Four clear? Okay. Let me check. Pick me. Claw, just go to 5. Clear out 5. Okay. Okay, EXO, let's go to 1. EXO, go to 1. From 3, go to 1. I think they cleared out. No one's attacking now. Moved out? Yeah, I think they moved out. Wait, let me check. Shroud. Going Luina? Okay, they moved out. Let's move out. Let's go to Rojak first. Let's have them just until almost speed. Move to 1. Speed cake, fast cake, move to 1. Quick. Speed cake, fast cake. Rojak. We move to 1. Clear out. Everyone. Got breaking. It's got. Ignore got. You're here to assist. Exa, ignore got. Don't go to 4. Go directly to 1. Got clashing. No, Vincere here. 1. Exa 1. Ay, pinapatay pala ha. Sige. Okay, EXO. Clear gut. Clear the way. Yeah, clear the way. Open area, guys. Okay. Pakaputa. Tanginang gat to. Ang cock-block pa gago. Seven. One minute na lang eh. Hindi. Back tayo. Okay, EXO out. We'll move from 5. Out, EXO out. Not too separated. Tanginang gat yan ng cock-block pa. EXO, RG at 5. Move out. Everyone move out, RG at 5. RG first at 5. Ay, nako. Tanginang gat to. Di naman lang makadefend na maayos. Ano to nga eh. Nasa mid na ata eh. EXO ready? We'll move out. We'll go to 3. EXO, we'll go to 3. Go. Move out, EXO. Speed cake, fast cake, go to 3. Yeah, let's come 3. Vincere and Gut are here. Okay. Foods up. Let's engage. DD and swords. Hela. Throw your dogs. Enter, enter, enter. Enter, enter, guys. Enter. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck at the bottom. Enter, enter. Move up, move up. Everyone move up. Ay, kanahatak. Up, guys. Move up, move up. Go, go, go. Clash, clash, clash. Oh, yan, yan, yan. Forward, forward, guys. Forward. Yeah, just push gut back. Yeah, yeah. They're going back. They're moving back. They're moving back. Yeah, push gut back. Let's take 3. Let's take 3. Anyone who's not 3. Summon your party mates if you have to. We'll hold 3. We'll hold 3. We'll hold 3. Yeah. Scale all the Vincer that come here. See? Yeah, they can't stronghold. They'll need to move to somewhere else. Yeah, just hold 3 for now. Yeah. Let's hold them here. See? Okay lang yun. Okay lang, okay lang. 3 lang tayo. We'll hold 3, we'll hold 3. Let's just hold 3. Ay, naka, why? Wag na kayo dito, gat. Dito na kami. Oh, don't engage, gat, ha. We'll just kill all Vincer here at 3. Okay lang, okay lang. They just need to def M. Kill all Vincer, ha. Guys, kill all Vincer. Don't let Vincer pass. Kill all Vincer here. DD the entire stronghold. DD the entire stronghold, guys. They will attempt to pass. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Let got def 1. Let's def Vincer here. Let's hold Vincer here so they can't move anywhere else. Guys, kill Vincer here, ah. Don't let Vincer move out of us. Oh, performers, I need your DD here. Trap them. Nice. Swords at the statue. Nice one. Okay. Okay, let's move to Valk Big. Easy points. Nice camping. Onigiri. Oo ata. EXO ready. FP, your performers will face people at the going to the bridge. Then we'll go to 6. Go. Move out, EXO. EXO, move out. Kill all Onigiri in front, then move to 6. Move out. Kill all Onigiri in front, move to 6. Resu, guys. I see a lot of gems. Resu. Move out, Resu. Resu, everyone. And go to 6. RG at 6. Those that got kicked. Refill. Yeah, I felt the delay there. Okay, refill, guys, refill. We'll just push our way to 6. Front 8. Valk Big. Okay, refill, guys, refill. Move out. Is this all of EXO? Konti natin. EXO RG at 12. Okay. Yeah, I think this is okay. Full buffs. FP your performers, guys. Then move out. Clash. Go, go, go. Move out, Exo. Move out. Clash, clash, clash. Clash, Onigiri. Okay, wipe, wipe, wipe. Foods up, foods up, foods up. Wipe, Onigiri. Foods up, foods up. Wipe them, wipe them. Push, 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 and wipe. Yeah. Get inside Onigiri's face. DD, DD, DD. DD, then sword. DD and sword, DD and sword. I need DD and sword. Nice. Basag. Okay, move out. Okay, save zone, save zone. Ready, ready, ready. Okay, Exo. Speed cake, fast cake. We'll move to junction at 8. Then turn towards 6. Okay? Move, move, move. Move out. Speed cake, fast cake. Junction 8. Going to 6. No, junction 8. Junction 8. Then we'll move to 6. Yeah. Okay, here. Okay, let's move to 6. Guys, move to 6. Move to 6. Move to 6. Ready, ready, 6. Okay. Move up 6. RG at 6. RG at 6. RG at 6. Evincer incoming from the left side. RG at 6. RG at 6. Exa RG at 6. Let's hold them here. Oh, Exorcist incoming. Yeah, let's hold them here. Hold them here. Long range battle, guys. Guys, long range battle at 6. Yeah, we don't want to get sandwiched. Let's push them. Let's push them back from here. Exa, start moving down. Move down. Clash, clash, clash. Clash here, clash here. Clash here. Don't get stuck on the stairs. Move down, move down, move down. Kaya nga, ika-clash natin sila. Move down, move down. Okay. We'll backstab, Push. Move down, then go towards 3, go towards 3. Ano naman? Save zone first, save zone first. Let Rojak and Onigiri clash each other. Okay. Okay, EXO, FP, your performers will move in. We'll move in. Let's wipe both of them. Ready, ready. Okay. Move, move. Move, EXO, move. Move in, move in, move in. Enter, enter, enter. EXO, enter, EXO. Let's clear out, clear out, clear out. Okay, move in. Don't get choked, don't get choked. Move out, move out, move out. Spread out, EXO. Nice one. Okay, move, move, move. Resu, resu, resu. Resu, resu. Okay, move out, move out, move out. Spread out, spread out. Let's not get stuck here. Yeah. Push Onigiri going to the right side. Going to 6. Push Onigiri going to 6. Push Onigiri going to 6. EXO, push Onigiri going to 6. Shit, got kicked. Okay, those who got kicked, refill, refill. Okay lang yan, 40s. Yeah, just push. So we can RG at 6. Status, status. Once at safe zone, speed cake, fast cake. We'll rejoin, we'll rejoin. Nice. Okay, let's push. XOXO, move to 6. Move to 6. We're clashing Onigiri at 6. Move to 6, move to 6. Push. Push up. Push forward. Okay. Nice. Yeah, push forward. Nice one. Oh, get inside. Push Onigiri. Go. Nice one. Swords up. Go. Nice one, EXO. Push. Okay. RG at 6. Let's go. Clear out the remaining Onigiri. Nice one. Go to 6. Clear out 6. There's empty there. Clear out 6. Sayang. Nice clear. Okay, ready. EXO ready. FP your DPS will dive. Hoods up. Ready. Go. Dive, EXO. Dive Onigiri. Dive Onigiri. Clear out Onigiri. Push them. They're going to the right side again. Resu front line. Nice one, thanks. Okay, push Onigiri. Nice one. Push. Clear them out. Nice one, Resu. Keep up. Okay, push Onigiri. Right side. Going to 6. Onigiri is here. Going to 6. Push them. Swords down. Swords down. Okay, push them. LP up. We're pushing them. Okay, let's dive. Dive Onigiri, guys. Nice one. Okay, push them back. Wipe. Forward. Push. Forward, guys. Forward. I need you to push. Push Onigiri back. Wipe them. Got kick. Take over first. Got kick. A lot of Onigiri outside. Nice one. Status. We push them. Are we at 6? My party, summon my party. Yeah. Nice one. Push. Party, can you summon? Summon, please. Thanks. Okay, go. Push. Let's push Rojak as well. Forward. RG at 6. Nice one. Let's push. Don't go up. Just below the stairs. Ready. Okay. We have got incoming right side. Ready. Okay. Clash. Another round of FP. FP. Push got. One. Swords down. DD up. Dogs on their stack. Okay, push. Nice one. Push. Clear out. There's still some remaining. Push. We'll go to 8. Let's push them to 8. Push them to 8. So, Forward, 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 EXO. Nice one. Reso and expel, reso and expel. Oh, onigiri sandwich. Behind, behind, behind. Performers, DD, DD. Defensive, defensive. Okay, let's move to 6. EXO move to 6 now. Speed cake, fast cake to 6. Engage on whoever is in front. Okay, safe. Okay. Move to... Here we have Rojak on the right side going... Right side going 3. Right side going 3. Rojak, right side going 3. Okay. Move up to 3. Move up 3. Move up 3. Move up 3. Nulan here, Nulan. Nulan is also here. Foods up, foods up. Foods up. Let's clash Nulan first. Clash Nulan first. Don't go up to 3. Clash Nulan first. Okay. Push Nulan, push Nulan. Okay. Push Nulan, push Nulan. Ay, shit. Nahatak pa. Push Nulan, guys. Clear out Nulan. Yeah, ignore 3 first. Ignore 3 first. Okay. Go to the open area going to 5. Open area going to 5. Open area going to 5. There's Nulan here, Nulan here. Yeah, it's clear out. Nice one got cleared. Okay, EXO move to 5. 5, 5, 5. EXO move to 5. RG here, RG at 5, RG at 5. RG at 5. EXO, RG at 5. Isang move lang naman tayo. It's okay. Okay. Move down. EXO. Incoming Nulan. Engage Nulan. Move down. Move down 5. Engage Nulan. Ah, shit. Got kicked. Engage. Those who got kicked, move to safe zone 5. Wait for someone. Yeah, too many guilds here now. Okay, those who got kicked, safe zone. Summon. EXO, summon. Nice one. Okay, clear out. Exit 5 from 12 o'clock. Move up here. Exit 5 from here. Then we'll go to the open area. Okay, ready. FPR performers, fight them at the open area now. We have got here. Okay. Clash at gut. Clash gut.